I'm probably very late from doing this, but I'm gonna just get to the main point. Today I'm gonna show you how to put a face on a character. So I'm gonna just use a dummy for this tutorial, and then I'm gonna use my basic face spec. I don't think I'm gonna use the face spec that involves with pupils. Anyway, let's get started. So first thing you're going to want to do, you see this button right here that says part, click it. It's gonna spawn you a rectangle block. Click on the rectangle block that you spawned in, and then you're gonna want to open your propositions. You're gonna want to scroll down to where it says size. You're gonna want to copy these numbers and paste it into the size, because this is gonna what your part is gonna look like. It's gonna be a flat square. After you're done doing that, you're gonna want to click on it, and then you're gonna want to hold Control D, and then move it out of the way, and you're gonna have another square. I get confused a lot on what I'm selecting, so I'm gonna label these. I'm gonna rename the first part eye rig, and then I'm gonna name the other one mouth rig. After I have these labeled, I'm gonna click on the square, and then you see this plus button right here. You're gonna want to click it. Then you're gonna have to search the object decal, and then I added a decal. And then you're gonna want to add another decal to the mouth rig. Make sure you have both decals on the squares. Future Covermore here. Here's the thing I forgot to mention in the tutorial. I recommend placing cartoon faces in the decal squares, because if you just slap it on there without the squares, the quality is probably gonna suck. Anyway, back to the main video. We need to add the faces. I'm gonna pick these eyes. The eyes that I've chosen, inside of it, it has a decal, and then where it says color map content, I'm gonna Control C, which means I'm copying the code. I'm gonna go back to the mouth rig, go to the decal that I added in the eye rig, go to color map content, then I'm gonna Control V and then enter. Boom, now I added the eye, and then I'm gonna choose a mouth. I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna Control C, the code I'm gonna use for my mouth. Go to the mouth rig, go to the decal in the mouth rig, color map content, and then Control V, the code you took for the PNG mouth. And then you have the mouth inside of the decal. Now we're gonna wanna place these onto the character. I'm gonna click on the dummy and then go to head, and then delete the current face that's on it. Now it's gonna be faceless. So I'm gonna just set this up, kind of line it up. Set it up like this. Now there's gonna be the square that's blocking the character. I'm gonna click on the eye rig square, go to propositions, and there's gonna be something called transparency. It says 0, but I'm gonna change that 0 to a 1. Now it's invisible. So now I can actually see my character. Then I'm gonna set up the mouth rig. Transparency 1. Okay, now we have this. Here's the part where we're gonna wanna joint the rig parts into the head. I'm gonna click on the character, open it, then open the head. I'm gonna click on eye rig, hold Control, and then click on the mouth rig. Then I'm gonna drag both of these into the head. Now I'm gonna go to plugins, and I'm gonna open up the Easy Weld. If you purchase Moon Animator, you should have this plugin included with the Moon Animator. I'm gonna click on the head, hold Control, then click on eye rig. That is gonna give me the option. I'm gonna click on joint in place, and now we have the joint. Then again, I'm gonna click on the head, hold Control, and click on mouth rig. Click joint in place again. Now we have 2 joints inside of the head. Now to make sure this works, I'm gonna click on Moon Animator. I'm gonna click on the plus, then click on the character. I'm gonna click on OK. It looks like we have the joints on the head. If we look in the section inside of this, and if we check, it should say mouth rig and eye rig. So now we are able to move around the face. And then I'm gonna click on the joint head and then rotate this, and it should be attached. Now, if you want your character to blink, I'm gonna also show you how to do that. Click on the plus on the corner of the project. Click on your character, click on eye rig, and click on the decal that's inside of the eye rig. I'm gonna label the decal eyes. There's gonna be a white dot that's glowing on transparency. Click on it and make sure it's off. Then click on texture and make sure that's on. Then you have the eyes. Then you're gonna want to add the mouth. I'm gonna rename it mouth. Turn off the transparency and then click on texture. Now we have the eyes and the mouth added. Now we can change the face texture. I'm gonna add some dots. So now it looks like this. I'm going to click on the dot that I want to add the blinking texture to. I'm gonna go up to my blinking eyes. Go to the decal. Control C, the code for the eyes you want to use. Delete this. I'm gonna Control V. Now I added the blinking texture inside of the keyframe. At the front of the keyframe, it's not going to blink. But if we go behind it, then it's going to blink. We'll put this on the loop, play it, and look at that. You can also change his mouth texture. So you can also make it look like that he's talking. Make sure you have a decal for that. Like these open mouths right here that I have. Anyway, yeah. That's how you put a cartoon face on a character. Anyway, that's going to be it for today's tutorial. If you have issues, then put it in the comments and I'll try to reply. And let me know what else you want me to show you in the future. Anyway, that's about it. See ya.